Welcome back to 1 Minute Tech, where we bring you the most accurate and up-to-date insights on technology shaping our world. Today, we dive into a topic that has sparked intense debate in the software development community: the reality behind the term vibe coding and what leading experts, like Andrew Ng, want us to understand about AI-assisted programming in the modern era. Andrew Ng, a globally recognized authority in artificial intelligence, recently voiced his concerns about the popularization of the term vibe coding. He described it as an unfortunate and misleading phrase that trivializes what is, in fact, a deeply intellectual process. According to Ng, using AI to assist in writing code demands a high level of technical knowledge and mental focus. He shared that at the end of a day spent working with AI tools on programming tasks, he feels frankly exhausted, a far cry from the carefree connotation that vibe coding suggests. Ng's remarks, delivered during the LangChain Interrupt conference, were pointed and clear. He emphasized that AI-assisted coding requires the same degree of rigor, discipline, and intellectual effort as traditional coding practices. This directly challenges the narrative put forward by Andrej Karpathy, co-founder of OpenAI, who popularized the term vibe coding as a way to describe casual, low-stakes programming for quick, experimental projects. Karpathy initially portrayed vibe coding as an approach suitable for throwaway weekend projects, where developers could let go of strict coding conventions and simply give in to the vibes without worrying whether the code even exists. Over time, however, the term vibe coding has taken on a broader meaning, one that many professionals, including Ng, find troubling. What started as a label for playful experimentation has seeped into mainstream conversations about AI-assisted development, creating confusion between casual coding and serious engineering. Simon Willison, another respected voice in the developer community, has stressed that vibe coding should not be conflated with professional AI-assisted programming. He points out that real engineering requires the same rigorous standards as traditional development: reviewing code, testing it thoroughly, understanding its logic, and being able to clearly explain it to others. These are precisely the kinds of intense intellectual challenges that Ng highlights when discussing AI-assisted coding. Ng draws a powerful analogy between learning to code and learning to read and write in the modern world. In his view, coding is not becoming obsolete in the age of AI. Rather, it is becoming even more essential. Just as literacy empowers people to navigate society, a solid grasp of programming enables developers to engage effectively with AI tools, design more precise prompts, interpret system feedback accurately, and collaborate with AI as a genuine partner. He warns that seeing AI as a replacement for coding skills is a mistake. Instead, AI tools should be viewed as powerful extensions that amplify the capabilities of those who already have a strong foundation in software engineering, much like high-level languages build upon core computing principles. The misconceptions surrounding vibe coding are not limited to casual observers. Even Karpathy, who originally coined the term in a playful context, now acknowledges the confusion it has generated. He has started to draw clearer lines between what he calls real coding and lighthearted vibe experiments. The danger, as critics have pointed out, is that labeling all AI-assisted programming as vibe coding risks flattening critical distinctions between professional-grade software development and weekend tinkering. This blurring of lines could lead to a dangerous underestimation of the discipline required to produce reliable, maintainable, and secure AI-assisted code. Ng's position is echoed by other leading figures in technology. For example, Google's head of research has reinforced the idea that coding skills remain vital in today's AI-driven world. Despite AI systems now generating more than a quarter of Google's new code, developers must still know how to evaluate that code. As one expert aptly put it, you have to know good code to approve good code. No matter how advanced AI coding assistants become, they cannot replace the human judgment needed to review, understand, and validate their outputs. Learning to code in the AI era offers far-reaching benefits that extend well beyond writing lines of software. Coding helps develop critical and logical thinking skills that are invaluable across a wide range of industries. It trains individuals to grasp how computers process and structure information. This understanding is key to engineering effective AI prompts and interpreting system responses with precision. Moreover, Solid programming knowledge enables developers to design, implement, and refine AI-driven solutions responsibly, ensuring that AI serves as a tool for progress rather than a source of unpredictable errors. As Ng and many other thought leaders remind us, the path forward is not about surrendering to the so-called vibes of AI-assisted coding. It is about embracing the challenge, sharpening our skills, and working alongside these powerful new tools to build the future of technology. AI can indeed be a remarkable force multiplier, but only for those who have mastered the fundamental principles that underlie modern software development. Thank you for watching today's deep dive on 1 Minute Tech. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more in-depth coverage of the latest developments shaping the technology landscape.